This case is very close to my heart.
A truck, tipper, 10 tire tippers loaded with stone was behind us, then come and smash and climb out and smash my leg, and it was badly damaged.
Mr. Koka Morris is a 50-year-old male. He met with an accident in 2011 in which he sustained a crush injury of the right lower limb and injury to the left knee also. Unfortunately, he had to undergo above knee amputation on right side, and left side was managed with plaster and all. So he was barely able to walk when he reached India. Because he was not using any kind of prosthesis. He used a preliminary prosthesis in Nigeria, but that was not successful, and her left knee was also very painful. So when we investigated him, we found that he is suffering from an untreated fracture of lateral condyle of femur. It was not united. So he was walking on that limb, and that limb knee was increasingly becoming painful. So we decided that we need to help him in both the limbs. So we decided for a above knee prosthesis on right side, and we planned a total knee replacement surgery on left side. It was pretty difficult because for 3 years he was walking on a non-united lateral condyle of femur fracture, and we did a thorough planning and arranged all kind of processes which we thought that we needed in the OT. And after thorough planning, we started the surgery and mobilized that lateral condyle of femur, and fortunately we could achieve a very good reduction, and he went a very successful total knee replacement arthroplasty, and he started walking after 2 days of surgery. And then preliminary he was given a pylon type of prosthesis on right side. So patient was standing on 3rd day or 4th day of surgery, and that gave us immense pleasure to see a patient who just couldn't walk, and he was walking 3 days after surgery with the help of a pylon prosthesis. This case is very close to my heart.
The accident happened on the 29th May 2012. After I finished everything in the house, then I wanted to go out. I didn't even want to go with my car. I decided to go with a bike.
Bike?
Yes. Yeah. Then on top of the bike, unfortunately, as we were approaching the main express road, the bike man just fell down. So a truck, tipper, 10 tire tippers loaded with stone was behind us, then come and smash and climb out and smash my leg, and it was badly damaged. I thank my master. He's the one that take care of me throughout the accident. He's the one that brought me to India, and is the one that cared for all my bills and everything as I am in India. But I give God the glory that they replaced the knee. So as of today, I think I'm not yet up to 1 month or 1 month after the operation, but I can make use of the knee. I can manage it for now, but I believe God all will be well. According to the medical team, they were saying that I have to stay up to 3 weeks. I have to put my leg up to 3 weeks before standing. But I was surprised, maybe after 2 weeks and some days, I was able to stand and use the knee and bending the knee. It did not go up to the 3 weeks that they were saying. Little I know him, at least for the past 2-3 weeks I'm in India, I've seen him to be the best.